Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the fabulous world of Dua Lipa inspired outfits. Dua Lipa is not just a pop sensation but also a fashion icon known for her bold, erratic, and effortlessly cool style. Her wardrobe is a mix of vintage, edgy, and high fashion pieces that comes together to create a unique and inviolable look. In this video, we will explore how you can channel Dua Lipa's fashion sense and create stunning outfits that make you feel a superstar. Let's get started. Dua Lipa's style is all about confidence and individuality. She effortlessly blends high fashion with streetwear, creating looks that are both chic and edgy. Key elements of her style include bold prints, vibrant colors, unique accessories, and a fearless approach to mixing and matching different pieces. Whether she is rocking a red carpet event or a casual day out, Dua's outfits always make a statement. Dua Lipa's love to make a statement with animal prints, whether it's leopard, zebra, or snake skin. To incorporate this into your wardrobe, consider an element print dress or top paired with solid colored accessories to balance the boldness. Animal print boots or a statement bag can also add a touch of Dua Lipa's style to your outfit. Plaid and checkered patterns are another staple in Dua Lipa's wardrobe. A plaid miniskirt or checkered blazer can be styled in various ways to achieve that edgy and sophisticated look. Pair a plaid skirt with the graffiti and combat boots for a casual rocker vibe, or wear a checkered blazer over a simple dress for more polished appearance. Dua Lipa is not afraid to wear bright, eye-catching colors. Neon hues like electric blue, hot pink, and vibrant green are more often seen in her outfits. To incorporate neon into your style, start with a neon top or accessories. If you're feeling bold, a neon dress or jumpsuit can be a head-turning choice for a night out. Color blocking is another technique Dual uses to stand out. This involves pairing contrasting colors to create a bold, dynamic look. For example, pair a bright orange top with cobalt blue pants or mix a fuchsia skirt with a lime green blouse. The key is to keep a silhouette simple and let the color do the talking. Dua often uses statement belts to cinch her waist and add interest to her outfits. A wide belt with large buckle can transform a simple dress or oversized blazer into a fashion forward ensemble. Look for belts with unique details like studs, chains, or bold patterns. Chunky jewelry, including oversized earrings, layered necklaces, and bold rings, is a hallmark of Dua Lipa's style. These pieces can add a touch of glamour and edginess to any outfit. Don't be afraid to mix metals and styles to create a look that's uniquely yours. An oversized blazer is a versatile piece that Dua Lipa often incorporates into her outfits. It can be dressed up with tailored pants and heels for a sophisticated look, or dressed down with jeans and sneakers for a chic casual vibe. Opt for blazers in bold colors or interesting patterns to make a statement. Baggy jeans are not 90s fashion, which Dua Lipa frequently references in her style. These jeans can be paired with crop tops, graphic tees, or bodysuits for a relaxed yet trendy look. Add a pair of chunky sneakers and combat boots to complete the outfit. For red carpet events, Dua Lipa often choose or outfits adorned with glitter and sequins, making her shine bright under the spotlight. A sequin dress or a top can bring some of that glamour into your wardrobe. Pair it with minimal accessories to let the sparkle take center stage. Dua's red carpet look often feature daring high slits and cutouts. These elements add a sexy and modern twist to classic silhouettes. A dress with a high slit or strategic cutouts can be both elegant and bold. Balance logo with understated jewelry and sleek hair. Dua Lipa frequently incorporates retro sportswear into her outfits, blending comfort with style. Looking for vintage-inspired tracksuits, windbreakers, and sneakers to capture this look. Pairing these pieces with more modern accessories can create a unique and fashionable contrast. Flared pants, shoulder pads, and metallic fabrics are all part of Dual nod to 70s and 80s fashion. A pair of high-waisted flared jean or a metallic jacket can bring some of the retro charm into your everyday style. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold patterns and textures from these areas. For a more polished look, strappy heels are also go-to choice for Dua. These heels can elevate your outfit from casual jeans to glamorous outfit. Opt for styles and for interesting straps or embellishments to add a touch of individuality. The most important element of Dua Lipa's style is her confidence. No matter what she is wearing, she owns it with attitude and poise. When trying out these outfits, remember that confidence is key. Wear what makes you feel good and let your personality shine through. Dua Lipa's sense is a blend of bold choices, high fashion pieces, and a fearless attitude by incorporating elements like vibrant colors, unique accessories, and a mix of vintage and modern style. You can channel her iconic look into your wardrobe. Remember, the key to pulling off these outfits is confidence and a willingness to experiment. Thank you for tuning into Lina Fashion and Beauty. Thank you for the joining this channel. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of Dua Lipa's inspired outfits and his creations. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips, styling guidelines, and beauty inspiration. Stay stylish, stay fabulous, and always remember the beautiful thing you can always wear is the confidence. So confidence is the key. As we explained earlier, Dua Lipa's the major key for her fashion is the confidence. So be proud on yourself, stay stylish, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.